Hi, my name is Joel, and I'm a general contractor, and I'm here with GreatBuildz Network, and today we're going to talk about bathroom remodeling tips, what can help you next time you guys plan on getting into a project like this. Generally speaking, you're probably about 2 to 3 weeks for a full bathroom remodel. If there's more details, you'd probably be closer to a month. A great way to start is to plan it out. So you want to go online, go on a magazine, cut some pictures out, save some images, kind of find your direction on where you want to go with your bathroom remodel. The process would be a lot smoother because you actually have a game plan in motion. So once you've figured out a budget and you've gone ahead and put together a folder of some images or some inspiration pictures of the direction of your bathroom remodel, now it's a great time to start meeting with contractors and get a sense of everything that you want in the bathroom stays within your budget. So once you decided on a contractor, the next step is to pull permits. And that typically takes about a day or two. The next step is the demolition. At a glance, the bathroom might look good, but we never know what's behind the wall. A lot of times, unfortunately, once we get everything off the walls and gutted, there's a lot of issues with dry rot, leaking, and things that have been going on that we've had to see. Then once we get everything demoed out, get a good sense of the space, make sure that everything is in good standing, then it's time to start putting everything together. Thank you for watching, and I hope these tips have helped. Again, I'm Joel, I'm a general contractor here with GreatBuildz, and until next time.